Hey, computer science, we've made it to the end. If you're watching this video, you've made it to the final assignment in Unit 5. This is Unit 5, Assignment 3. As always, the third assignments in the units are often set up as do your own. Now, today I'm going to show you what I'm doing. For this one, you want to make a spiraling loop. That's what you're trying to make, is some kind of an image that loops. And we're going to follow along with mine. You do not have to do mine. You can do your own, but you can do mine if you want to. So that's going to be totally up to you. So here we go. First thing you want to do, of course, is go ahead and open your Python shell and open a new file. And then what I want you to do is go ahead and save this file as Unit 5, Assignment 3. So I'm going to put mine in my computer science here. Examples, Unit 5, Assignment 3. I just abbreviate mine. You can save it however you want. And now you've got a brand new file to work from. And as always, we like to work in the editor because then if we make mistakes, we can. So we're creating our own thing here. And as always, I start with the from turtle import. And you're going to notice throughout these videos that I make a lot of errors. Somebody said at one point I was supposed to say left, and I said left leg. That's hilarious. All right, I want to start mine today in blue. So remember, quotation marks for colors. I'm going to do my width as a 3. And then if you've been reading in this unit, you've noticed that we can set the turtle speed. I'm going to do my turtle speed at 0 today. I don't want him to go too super fast. And then the crawl command, the crawl feature, allows me to set how far the turtle's going to go. So I'm going to have the turtle crawl at 5. Those are my basic items that I'm setting up. Next, I'm going to go ahead and set my loop range. For I, in range, and that's my iterator function, 50. It's a big one. I want to do tab in, indent, a forward crawl, and that's that forward crawl 5. I want to turn to the right 95 degrees. You'll see why in a minute. Now I want to crawl forward plus 10. Crawl plus 10. Watch your spaces on that one. You got to add the spaces in. I'm going to turn to the left 20 degrees. And now I'm going to go backwards. So we do forward and negative crawl. Remember how we did like negative so much when we were coding basic? Now we can just say do a negative crawl. 45 degrees to the right. And then crawl equals crawl plus 3, which is going to increase that crawl by 3 every time. Okay? You don't have to add any comments in this one. And I'm going to end with an exit on click. All right, let's see what happens. And what happens is, I made a syntax error. What did I do up here? Oh, I had an extra space. Sorry, my fault. That should do it. Oh, and my colon. There we go. Let's try this again. And like I said, you're going to make mistakes. The same ones as me, probably. And there we go. I've got a spiraling image. You can see that I've got my crawl going at different degrees to create this nice big spiral. I set my turtle speed. And I am going to go ahead and kill it and have it stop running. It was in blue. My pen width was 3. And he keeps crawling forward. And then he adds 3 every time in the crawl. So here's my degrees. He goes forward and backward, and that's how I set this one up. Let's run it one more time. Pretty cool. You can use the same idea with different degrees, different crawl sizes, all of that, in order to create your own image if you'd like to. All right, so now, of course, we need to save because you know I always resave. And then we're going to go over here to our course files and go find your file. Mine I keep in examples. I'm not sure where yours are. Unit 5, Assignment 3, Send to, compressed. Now you've got your zipped folder. We're going to view this as a student here. Navigate to Unit 5. In just a minute. And then scroll on down to Assignment 3. Click the drop box. Upload Unit 5, Assignment 3, the compressed version. Add comments if you need to, and submit. Ladies and gentlemen, that's it. If you've made it through assignments 1 and 3 in units 2, 3, 4, and 5, then you are done with your coding assignments. Catch the quizzes, catch any of the practices that you want, and if you want to go back and pick up some extra points doing assignment 2, the code fix, go for it. But that's it. Nice job.